Hello, myself Sundar Ramakrishna Devi. And here basically the next video basically that is language bar. So here one thing is the Bollywood group basically have certain producers basically. Directors basically are doing the direction basically of movie. For example, 5-15 lakh liter basically oil is going to produce. 5 lakh is the source. So director basically do the direction up to that level basically. That it's easily to understand basically. In this 5 lakh building, which kind of people basically are going to stay basically and can generate basically oils basically. And they do up to the process basically that the land basically is processing in which area basically of the oil data. Up to that level basically they displays basically. And the movie basically creation basically is connected with the serials basically. Serials are basically displaying current data basically, current status. Movie basically is displaying entire creation basically. For example, 15 lakh liter basically how is going to produce, who is going to dig, which banks are connected here basically, each and everything basically they displays basically. So you can just imagine basically how, that's why basically the movie creation basically costs sometimes 500 crore 600 crore basically. So you can just imagine basically. And they basically gets the royalty also basically. The person basically is a producer, the person who is the director, who is the actor basically, they gets basically royalty. So you can just imagine basically how much value basically is of Bollywood basically. And there are basically projects basically which Bollywood groups gets. For example, this 15 lakh liter basically is one project basically for them. Project means it's a huge project basically. They basically creates many movies from this. They basically creates the many serials basically from this. At least basically they gets 10 to 15 movies basically from this, and more than basically 7 to 8 serials basically. And on the base of basically they gets many advertising basically of this. So it's a huge project basically they gets. So next video.